Namaste. Welcome to Pranayama class part 1. Pranayama is the heart of yoga. Yoga is combination of asanas, pranayamas and meditation. Prana means vital energy or life force or oxygen. Ayama means control or regulate or expand. Pranayama means regulation of life force. Breathing is the most important function in the body. Pranayama is conscious prolongation of inhalations, exhalations and retentions. It is a scientific process of internal purification. Let's begin with basic pranayama, that is single nostril breathing. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril as long as you can do it with comfort. Then exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Keep your hands Vishnu Mudra. Bend index and middle fingers towards your palm and keep the other fingers upright. Focus your mind on breath. Now inhale through the right nostril by closing the left nostril with your right ring and little fingers, and exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Do 12 times. This is one round. Do not make any sound during inhalation and exhalation. Repeat your Ishta mantra during the practice. Do at least 2 to 3 rounds every day. Now close the right nostril and inhale through left nostril. Retain the breath at least 10 seconds and exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Repeat and practice 12 times. This is one round. Take rest for 2 minutes when one round is complete. If you take a few normal breaths when one round is over, that will give you sufficient rest and you will be fresh for the next round. You can increase the number of rounds according to your strength and capacity. Now inhale through the right nostril, closing the left nostril. Retention breath at least 10 seconds as your comfort, and exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Repeat and practice it 12 times at least. That is one round. In yogic language, inhalation means purakam, exhalation means rechikam, retention means kumbhakam. Kumbhaka is two types: Antara kumbhakam, Bahya kumbhakam. Antara kumbhakam is retention after inhalation and Bahya kumbhakam is retention after exhalation. Now Nadi Sodhana Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. Close your right nostril, inhale through left nostril, then close your left nostril, exhale slowly through your right nostril. Then inhale same nostril and close your right nostril, exhale through left nostril. Repeat it. Practice at least 5 minutes. Exhalations must be much longer than inhalations because carbon dioxide has a longer route and travel in the opposite direction. Smooth and prolonged exhalations remove impurities efficiently and enhance well-being. Close your eyes and your mind must be free from thoughts. Now inhale through left nostril, hold your breath for a few seconds and exhale through the right nostril slowly, simple holding. Then inhale same nostril, hold your breath again few seconds and exhale through left nostril. Simple holding. Repeat it several times, at least 5 to 10 minutes, and alternate nostril closing and inhalations and exhalations with holding of breath. This alternate nostril breathing balances the right and left hemispheres of the brain, improves brain functions, balances acid and alkaline levels, brain chemicals and fluids, controls blood pressure, corrects imbalances in the nasal cycle, cleans up the respiratory passages, relieves fatigue, anxiety, depression, sinus problems, migraine, menstrual and menopausal problems. This purifies the nervous system, energy channels, hence the name Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. It is also called Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Come out of the pranayama practice as you inhale through your right nostril. Bring your hands down and exhale through both nostrils. Count your inhalations and exhalations to maintain focus and rhythm. Do not practice retention when you are sick or when you have high BP. Now, Kapalabhati Pranayama, skull shining breath. This pranayama lightens the skull, brings fresh glow on the face, and hence the name. A unique cleansing pranayama that facilitates perfect flushing out of impurities through the nostrils. For beginners, place one hand on your abdomen and other on your chest. Practice one forceful out breath every second. Like this. Do it for 10 to 20 times and pause for 2 to 3 seconds and restart. Like this. After few weeks of dedicated practice, there will be easy to your practice and the pauses will reduce. You can increase the speed to 2 forceful out breaths per second. Maintain the speed throughout your practice. Another beginner variation. People with health issues must practice slowly with several pauses, synchronizing our breaths with movement of the abdomen. This pranayama refreshes the brain, balances chemicals and fluids, energizes all systems, builds muscle and bone mass, increases stem cells in bone marrow, relieves anemia, allergies, asthma, sinus problems, migraine, thyroid, arthritis, and low and high BP, cholesterol, heart problems, and also relieves diabetes, kidney problems, menstrual and menopausal problems, reduces excess body weight, helps to control and withdraw from cigarette smoking. After partial inhalation, exhale forcibly with sharp puffing sound by drawing your abdomen in. Like this. This pranayama is just systematic, sharp, forcible exhalations. Now experience variations. Like this. With the rapid contractions of the abdomen muscles, the toxins are perfectly removed from the cellular level through your nostrils. In this pranayama, inhalations are automatic and passive. Please do not pay attention to them. Relax, bend forward, support with your hands, relaxation. Now, Bhastrika Pranayama, bellows breath. Inhale and exhale quickly 10 times like the bellows of the blacksmith. Single nostril Bhastrika. Close your left nostril, raise your right hand, quickly inhale and exhale. like this. Constantly dilate and contract. When you practice this pranayama, a hissing sound is produced. Then another nostril. Close your right nostril. Raise your left hand. Inhale. Exhale forcefully down. Like this. 10 times is one round. Rest a while after one round is over by taking a few normal breaths. Do at least 3 rounds daily in the morning. Bhastrika can be done both in the morning and evening in winter. In summer, do it in the morning only during cool hours. 2 hands Bhastrika. Inhale up, exhale forcibly down. Like this. This Bhastrika pranayama relieves inflammation of the throat, increases gastric fire, destroys phlegm, removes diseases of the nose and chest and lungs, eradicates asthma and other respiratory problems. Relaxation. Take few normal breaths. Now, Brahmari pranayama, beast breath sound. Shanmukhi mudra. Close your ears with thumb, your eyes with index and middle fingers. Place your ring and little fingers near your nostril and below your lips. Drop your elbows downward and focus inwards. Inhale deeply, exhale with humming beast sound. Like this. Again inhale. Like this. Practice this pranayama at least 5 to 15 minutes. This pranayama refreshes and nourishes the brain, calms the mind, balances hormones, improves confidence, and also relieves high BP, mental stress, anxiety, depression, anger, fear, and insomnia. Relax, take few normal breaths, and restart. Practice this pranayama. This sound vibrates in head, refreshes brain, calms tense nerves, and the restless mind. Prana is the life force that controls mental and physical functions. Insufficiency of prana can lead to many health issues. When prana is expanded in a rhythmic way, there is increased vitality, stability, calmness, longevity, and good health. Control of prana means control of mind. Mind cannot operate without the help of prana. The seat of prana is the heart. Pranayamas purifies and stimulated the energy channels, that is nadis. 72,000 of nadis in our body. The main nadis are Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Ida or moon channel is cooling and flows through the left nostril. Pingala or sun channel is heating and flows through the right nostril. Ida Nadi runs left side of spinal cord. Pingala Nadi runs right side of spinal cord. Sushumna or Brahma Nadi runs along the center of the spinal cord. Nadi is a flow of energy. Now sitting relaxation. Adho Mukha Vajrasana or downward facing thunderbolt posture. Set your gaze. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch forward and rest your head on the cushions. Place your hands in a position that is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and relax. Focus on the center of your forehead and feel calm. Mentally chant a mantra. This asana relaxes mind, brain, eyes, ears, heart, abdomen, spine, legs, and relieves high BP, migraine, back pain, diabetes, depression, insomnia, and also relieves hemorrhoids, menstrual and menopausal problems. Come back, normal position. Now, supine relaxation. Relaxation is most important after completion of sequence of breathing exercises pranayamas. Practice regularly with positive attitude. Okay, see you again in pranayama class part 2. In that we will learn some special pranayamas with energy locks or bandhas. Thank you.